This is Hanon Group, service across the miles. I'm Wei Fu Wang, the technical support engineer of Hanon. Today we are at Luhua Group.
Shandong Luhua Biotech Co., Ltd. belongs to a famous domestic peanut oil enterprise, Shandong Luhua Group. The company mainly uses biological fermentation technology to produce high-end natural fresh soy sauce, with an annual production capacity of 300,000 tons. Since the establishment of our laboratory, we have introduced Hanon's instruments. The first Kjeldahl nitrogen analyzer we used was the K1100 model. In 2017, with Hanon's renewal policy, we replaced it into the new model K1100.
This instrument has been working continuously for 8 years and is currently in good condition. Today's main content is to maintain the automatic Kjeldahl nitrogen analyzer. First step is to clean the receiver cup. Second, clean the splash-proof system. Third, cleaning the liquid addition pipeline. Fourth, check the pipelines and circuits. Replace aging and damaged parts in time. Prevent potential faults. Extend the service life of the instrument, ensuring the stability of data and equipment safety.
We have fully optimized the nitrogen analyzer. Compared with traditional laboratory testing methods, this new method is not only faster, but also has higher data stability. It largely improves work efficiency. It fully meets our production needs. The equipment is very stable in use. For abnormal situations during use, Hanon's after-sales team can reply in time and help us quickly find the problem.
Hanon aims to pursue the ultimate user experience, while innovating and improving product quality. Optimize the level of technical support services. Continuously provide users with more efficient and professional service experience. Create more convenience and value for users. Provide high-quality scientific instruments and solutions for more scientific workers. Be a reliable partner for scientific workers.
Hanon's instrument in Luhua's quality control system has played a vital role. Its high efficiency and stable data, ensuring that we can accurately control, and real-time monitoring and adjustment of production parameters, ensuring stable and consistent product quality. It reduces operational errors and enhances the reliability of product quality. Luhua people aim to improve human life quality and promote Chinese food culture as our mission. We uphold the corporate purpose of serving the country and create a new era of Chinese soy sauce.
Hanon Group will continue to strive. Do every inspection carefully. To ensure the good running state of the instrument, do every inspection well and quickly, and solve user problems in the first time. Make every communication excellent.